So tech stocks dipped in August. Should you have bought? Over the past year, buying the dip has really worked out for investors, the tech sector especially. Since Gen AI hit the markets, the tech-heavy Nasdaq has been on a rip. It's now up more than 100% since 2023. For context, the 15-year average return for the index is 16.4%. But that's also created a bit of a problem because valuations are now pretty rich. Tesla, Intel, Palantir are now trading at forward PEs that are close to 200 or more. This means that investors are paying $200 for every $1 of profit today. How does that make sense? One word: growth. The good news is that growth usually follows a shape, and it's called the S-curve, a slow start that builds into a sharp takeoff, which then tapers into maturity. Where a company sits on the S-curve matters a lot because valuation isn't just about today's numbers. You're also investing in tomorrow's growth story. Palantir, for example, Q2 earnings released in August. Revenue for the quarter was up 48% year-on-year, a much larger jump than the 27% from the same period last year. The company is very clearly in its expansion phase on the S-curve, where growth is both rapid and compounding. Compare that with Tesla. In recent years, its core EV business has shown signs of maturity, with growth very evidently slowing down. Its most recent quarter even had negative growth. In 2024, BYD's annual revenue surpassed Tesla for the first time. But for now, markets remain upbeat on Tesla's growth story. How do we know this? Consensus analyst estimates actually show the expectation that Tesla's growth will pick back up in 2026. The bet is on new S-curves, in autonomous driving, robotics, new energy technologies, avenues that remain unproven, but debatably hold much promise for the company. And this is really the key takeaway. Whether it's Palantir or Tesla, Nvidia, or even Intel, numbers set the floor and stories set the ceiling, but it is the S-curve of growth that bridges the gap and determines the trade. So it's worth asking, for the companies in your portfolio or on your watch list, where do they sit on the S-curve? Read Tong's portfolio this week for the finer points, only in The Edge.